Hi there, welcome to our cozy corner of the internet. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of home decor, specifically focusing on a green and lush addition to your outdoor space, fence on the front porch. If you are ever strolled past a charming home adorned with vibrant greenery, chances are you have been captivated by the timeless beauty of fence. These leafy wonders have a magical way of transforming any porch into welcoming oasis, adding a touch of natural elegance to your home sweet home. You might be wondering why fence. Well, let me tell you, these beauties are not just your average houseplants. Fence boast a remarkable versatility that makes them perfect for front porch decor. Whether your porch is basked in sunlight or tucked away in the shade, there's a fun out there that's just waiting to thrive in your space. Plus, their lush foliage and graceful fronds add a refreshing pop of greenery that instantly elevates the charm of any porch. So grab a seat, get cozy, and let's embark on this journey to discover the wonders of front fence on the front porch. Mix and match with other plants. One creative way to style ferns on your front porch is by mixing and matching them with other plants. You can create visually appealing arrangements by combining ferns with flowering plants, succulents, or even herbs. Consider varying the heights and texture of the plants for added interest. For example, you could place tall ferns in the back of a planter or hanging basket and fill the front with cascading vines or colorful blooms. This layering technique adds depth and dimension to your front porch decor, making it more dynamic and eye-catching. Another creative styling idea is to incorporate ferns into hanging display on your front porch. You can hang ferns in basket or decorative containers from the ceiling or porch rafters to add vertical interest to your space. Experiment with different types of containers such as woven basket, metal buckets, or ceramic pots to achieve the desired look. Consider clustering several hanging fans together at varying heights to create a lush, verdant canopy that frames your porch entrance beautifully. Arrange in unexpected containers. Think outside the box when it comes to putting your funds on the front porch. Instead of traditional planters, consider using unexpected containers to showcase your funds in a unique way. Repurpose vintage crates, wooden barrels, or even old teapot as creative planters for your funds. These add a touch of whimsy and personality to your porch decor, making it stand out of the ordinary. Get creative with your choice of containers and let your imagination run wild. Incorporate decorative accents. Enhance the visual appeal of your front displays by incorporating decorative accents into arrangement. Add visual interest with decorative rocks, pebbles, or moss around the base of the ferns. You can also incorporate seasonal accents like pine cones, pumpkins, or ornaments to reflect the changing seasons and add a festive touch to your porch decor. Consider incorporating fairy lights or lanterns to create a cozy ambience during evening gatherings or outdoor parties. Don't be afraid to experiment with different placements and arrangements for your ferns on the front porch. Consider placing ferns in unexpected locations such as on staircases, windowsills, or even along the porch railing. Play around with symmetry and asymmetry to find the most visually pleasing arrangement for your space. By experimenting with placement, you can create a unique and personalized look that reflects your individual styles and enhance the overall ambience of your front porch.